Hi everybody, welcome back to the Daily 3D Print. Today I wanted to show you how styles work. You can create your own styles or you can use default styles. And what is a style then? Well, if you look over on the default tray on the right hand side, in the middle we've got this styles drop down. If we open this, well, first if I click on this little house, it means in model and which ones am I using at the minute. If I hold it here, or you can see the name of it, architectural design style here. But if I want to change it, I want to have more sketchy edges or more like architectural design styles, I can go into this drop down menu. If we start by looking at the default styles, the one I'm using just now, the default is this one, architectural design style. Another one that I use very often is this one, just because of the white background. I really like this one. But when I click on a new one, if I go back to the house, the home here, now I've got another one added into my home library. And if you start to click on all different kinds of ones and try them out and try a new one and a new one and so on, this is going to build up inside this library. So if you want to get rid of it, is to click on this arrow, go down to purge unused, and it means to take away all styles that's not being used. So if I click purge unused, now I just get this one that's actually active at the moment. So that's the default styles. There's a lot more you can go. If you take this scroll bar and go down, there's quite a lot. This one is see-through, for example. It just means that this is active, so you can see through your model. When you orbit it, you can see all the way through. But you can easily finish this by just clicking this cube. It goes back to normal. But you see now this style has changed. Then you get this these arrows that you have to update it if you want to save it. But I don't want to save this, so it's okay. I'm going to go back to my standard one I usually use, which is this one, and then I can go back to the house and click on purge unused and take that one away. But if you wanted to have it more sketchy, like architectural design, we go to the drop down menu. We've got loads of different ones you can choose, but we got Sketchy Edges here. So I'll click on the first one on Sketchy Edges to see what happens. Okay, not so much straight lines where you can see that it's been sketched. A little bit further down there's more like uneven lines, like this one for example. It looks like if you printed this on a piece of paper, it looks like you've done it with a pen or a pencil. And you can change the amount that it overhangs here, these little crosses on each point. If you go to edit and click on the first icon here, edges should also always be checked, otherwise you won't be able to see anything when you turn it off. And then extensions, it just as default in this style is at 8. So if I just increased it a lot to 16, wait, press the wrong one, 16, there you go. You can see they're a lot more extended. If I go back to 8, you can see it not so much, but still sketchy. You can have profiles active too if you wanted to, and depth queue. But this one is it's already designed to just be a little bit of a overhang here. If you wanted more, you can go back to another style, go into the library, click on this one. Yeah, there's loads of different ones. Find the one that suits you best and use that one. Get different pen thicknesses, like this one looks like it's just been drawn with a thicker pen, and this one, yeah, there's loads. But like I say, I've been clicking on different ones now, choosing and testing. If I go back to the in model button, I've got loads of them in there that's not being used. It just takes up extra memory. So we go to the purge unused and take away all the ones that is not active. And there's loads more you can choose from. You can choose ambient occlusion, I like using this new function in SketchUp, ambient occlusion, and it's basically this black line in the middle here, making it look more realistic, as if it's in the real world. When you look at it in a corner, it's always a bit more black in the corner. Well, maybe these are a little bit too much. This one's quite okay. Down on the left, interior, this one's called, even though I'm using it on an exterior. And we can go to color sets. This changes the background and all your surfaces too. It's predefined like this. I don't use this very often, I can say. It's usually more the default styles. That's my favorites, and this one. Just for the tutorial purposes, to have the white background so it's clearer and you can see what's going on. Style builder competition winners. You can also submit your own styles. You can create your own styles and submit them. These are more sketchy, more, yeah, that's a good one if you want a sketchy edges. What's it called? Pencil sketch with darker traced lines, or assorted styles. We can look at this too. Yeah, you get the there's like a filter in Photoshop, really, as if it's been made on paper. The same as this, more sketched and smudged shadows. And when I zoom in and out the model, you can see it's taken the color, this brown color, but the sketched shadows, they stay the same, they don't move. So that's just a little bit about how the styles works in SketchUp. So choose which one you think is the best, and yeah, use that one. Like I say, this is my favorite. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you again for more tips and tricks in SketchUp.